Hi guys, it's Irene here. Welcome to the channel where I am sharing with you great and effective natural recipes for your skin and hair care. Each week there is a new video, so make sure you do subscribe so you know when I upload it, and definitely say hello in the comments below. In this video today, I'm preparing a recipe which is perfect for thin lips. So if you've ever wished you had fuller lips, this is the recipe for you to try. It works because it provides circular boosting power, so to say, of the cinnamon, which I'm going to use, and it plumps, gently plumps though your lips. So the key here is to use the coconut oil so we prevent the irritation. The recipe goes, very simple. Here in the cup I already have in an espresso cup, I already have 1/4 of a coconut oil. It has melted a little, and we only need to add another 1/4 of a teaspoon, of the ground cinnamon, and we shall need to just, sort of incorporate them together. If you're using cinnamon, I would, I'm not advertising this particular brand, but something organic and not irradiated would be a perfect thing, because you're going to put it on your lips, right? And actually when you eat it, it's also very important. So let me go ahead and add just 1/4 of a teaspoon. I always have cinnamon on hand because I just love it. It's very delicious, as I think. And it's actually a very beneficial spice. If you want to use something with less sugar, add more cinnamon. So all I'm going to do is mix it up. So this is the paste I have, and you will need to apply it on your lips. Make sure your lips are dry and clean, and leave it on for 5 minutes. Don't forget to relax, and then you just wipe it off, the excess, and apply your favorite lip balm or lipstick. So guys, I really hope you like this video. You will go ahead and try this recipe. It takes virtually no time to prepare it. Please put the thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to say hello. I wish you to stay very beautiful and handsome and healthy, of course. And I will see you in my next video.